CJ, Chris Jackson, thank you so much for being here today.
My pleasure.
I'm so excited for everybody to get to know you. You are this person that's been doing so many things, not only for Cardio Miracle, but share with everybody what's been going on in your life up until now.
Yeah, up until now, I'm gonna give you a little story about how I started taking Cardio Miracle seriously and really on a commitment level of a daily basis, not missing a day for the past since 2020.
Wow.
So the day after Thanksgiving, my older cousin, David Purefoy, who was 44 at the time, the age I am now, the next day he passed away of a massive heart attack.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Shook our whole family. Still hurts to this day, but it made me do some soul searching. And I was like, I'm not far from that age. Mm-hmm. And if we have heart disease that runs in our family, I should really do something about this. And hey, I've been around Cardio Miracle for the past decade, but I didn't take it. I'm an athlete. I'm a former college Division I basketball player, and so I've always been physically healthy. I didn't think I really needed anything, but at the same time, someone said something when I was looking at one of the podcasts, and they said something that was very impactful: was you don't feel prevention.
That's true.
And so, if I'm going through life and not really taking these things seriously, not eating right, maybe not, practicing the most healthy habits at times, COVID, it sent me through a wild depression.
Wow.
I kind of gained some weight. I maybe gained about 65 pounds.
Oh my goodness.
I'm typically around 245, 250, but I was close to 300.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. And this Cardio Miracle helped you lose weight.
I'd say not only helped me lose weight, but it helped just my mood levels, helped my energy. So during COVID, we were, in San Francisco proper, locked down, having to wear a mask everywhere you go, riding a bike, doing physical activity outside. And one of the hangers for me was in San Francisco, they took the basketball rims off the hoops.
Insane.
And so that was
I'm sorry.
Why? That my heart left. I can't even get my outlet to shoot some hoops.
Yeah.
And so, it led through a wild depression. And ultimately, after taking Cardio Miracle seriously, those thoughts left. I had some mental clarity, and I got, started walking more and eating right.
Amazing. So you had this experience with your family, this great loss, which spurred you to really do inventory on your life.
Yes.
And then spurred you into taking action, serious action.
Yeah.
And now you're a big part of our Cardio Miracle team.
Yeah. I'm actually kind of mad at myself, kicking myself for not seeing this opportunity a lot sooner. I had a closed mind. My background has been in the last decade in technology sales. So I've been an enterprise SaaS rep for the past 5 years. And in 2023, I was actually impacted by the furloughs. So I got canned.
Wow.
That again, sent me through a spin of depression. I thought it was all my fault. And I was like, why is this happening to me? And, after some time, I started looking internally, and I was like, you know what? I have a ton of skill sets that I can offer organizations. Mm-hmm. And so after talking with, John Hewlett and the family, they're like, hey, we can use your help. I know you're used to, doing your thing in technology and making that good money. We can't maybe do that there, but there's some things that you can help out with, and we'd love your help if you're open to it.
And you have been so impactful in many, many areas. With a growing company like this,
Yes.
We are growing so fast because number one, the product works.
Yes.
Number two, there's a man behind the product that truly believes in not only the product, but believes in mankind.
Yes.
And also believes in that we can make a massive difference. So not only from an American patriotic standpoint, but he really feels that this is going to change lives. And it has already.
It really has.
We are impacting right now millions of lives, including John's desire to be impactful into the Black community.
Yes.
Can you share a little bit about that? I know that diabetes, heart disease, all of that is very, very high and rampant.
Yep.
Why is that in the Black community?
Well, systemic inequalities. Systemic, health inequities, health discrepancies, not having equal access to information, and Also, I believe, strongly in the Black community, there's, a lot of mistrust, a lot of things have happened in the past where it's hard for us to, as a culture, be trusting
just
to the
blindly
information.
Embrace something.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So we need to have hard facts, hard proof. And even then, when we get that, we'd rather listen to maybe, what someone else has to say.
Yeah.
Through the hearsay, she say versus an expert who's actually, proven and done it. Right.
Yeah.
And so I want to change that. I want to help bring more awareness of Cardio Miracle and its miracle, ability to impact our lives for the better, right?
Correct.
Health is wealth, and at the end of the day, the more I research into this, the Black community, African Americans, they need this product just because we're living in this world where there's a high stress environment, and due to historic issues of systemic post-slavery, we have a lot of issues within our bloodline that aren't being addressed, and they can't be addressed in food deserts. They can't be addressed with convenient outcomes for nutrition.
And we were all designed to eat real food. I mean, that's what this is. It's real food.
100%.
So when you look at whether it's the Asian community, the Black community, the Scandinavian community, whatever it is, we're all human beings, and our endothelial system is being impacted by everything around us and what we've gone through in the last 3.5 years. So introducing it to the Black community, you've actually been instrumental in starting the Black Health Initiative. What does that look like?
Yeah, so the Black Health Initiative is all about getting information out there. It's about opening a discussion. It's about having the ability to, cross lines and talk about health where there's no, taboo, right?
Yeah.
The more that folks are aware of what they can do to be proactive, to live a healthier lifestyle, to, make conscious choices about what they put into their systems, it's going to lead to a healthier America. And
absolutely,
I feel, in being Black, it starts with the Black community. If we can heal the Black community, we can heal America.
Correct. That's fantastic. So it's blackhealthinitiative.com?
Yeah. So if you want to, check it out, it is blackhealthinitiative.com. And, we have a blog, sign up for it. We're posting some information. We haven't done it in about a month, but we're going to get more active with it. There's just been a lot of excitement here at Cardio Miracle, not only with just the Black Health Initiative, but the doctor program as well.
Yes, the doctor program.
Really excited about that too.
Yeah. So there's something for everybody here. And, you think about it, look at our children today, our youth and our children that are growing up, and they're drinking soda pops and, and they're eating so inappropriately, but that's all they have access to.
Yeah.
So our dream is to have this in every child's home, right? So that they have access to that, despite whatever ethnic background you might have.
Absolutely.
So that's exciting. But I know if you just look like overall, the cases of hypertension, high cholesterol, hyperlipidemia, and so on, is very, very high in the Black community.
The
and
highest
I think a lot of
ethnic group.
Correct. Now, how exciting that's going to be that we can impact them with something as simple as a scoop or two a day.
It's 100% exciting. And one of the things that, is exciting me too, being that, coming from the professional world and technology and SaaS, and I live in that world of LinkedIn, with us just getting the HSA and FSA approval, this is a no-brainer, risk-free, so that every person that's going through the stresses of trying to hit their quota or meeting the demands of a new product launch, take Cardio Miracle, live stress-free, be able to, do your thing on a daily basis.
So what is your LinkedIn address?
Yeah, so for me, for LinkedIn, you can find, you can find Cardio Miracle on LinkedIn as well. And the showcase page for the Black Health Initiative, feel free to connect with me. I'm simple. It's Chris J1415.
Perfect. Well, this is exciting. Look forward to all the wonderful news of the upcoming events and different things that you're doing all over the country, and how to really make an impact in all communities.
Lisa, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much, CJ. You're amazing.
Thank you.
CJ is for Chris Jackson.
Yep.